Hey guys, welcome back to the Best Brother and Sister channel.
Today we're going to be playing slime. And my brother got it from the white elephant from Christmas from his school.
We will show you our ingredients later on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell. Hope you enjoy the video. Peace!
Hi, today I'm going to introduce you to these colors. This is yellow, orange, and green, and like in the dark purple, and blue, and red. And we have some bows, and some beads, and fruits, and glitter.
We have some school washable glue, some slime activator, baking soda, a measuring cup, containers, popsicle sticks to mix, a measuring spoon, 2 bowls to make the slime in, and last but not least, you can't forget them instructions. So we're gonna add the whole bottle of this glue.
Not the whole bottle, but
the whole
one, so it can be good. It's too hard to squish, by the way, because it has a lot. And my brother is working hard with his muscle. Let me help him. And I'm stronger than him, by the way.
So after you add the whole glue bottle, you're gonna grab 1 to 2 tablespoons of water.
And pour it in here to make it like slime, not really slime.
We'll put 1 in for now.
Yeah, 1 in for
Next, add 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. Mix well.
And by the way, hands are so dirty. I don't really know why. And I got food for filling.
We have to mix it.
Mark.
We have to mix it well. So we're gonna need to have 1 tablespoon of purple.
And now I'm going to open this cap. It's probably closed, by the way, but I don't know.
I meant to say half a tablespoon for each color, and same half of a tablespoon for the glow in the dark.
Half a tablespoon. And by the way, now mixing it so it can actually turn purple and dark. Mix.
And if you want your color darker, you add more color. And I meant to say teaspoon, not tablespoon.
And I keep mixing it so purple.
The next instructions say for you can put your glow in the dark slime up to the light to make it brighter, which we might as well just do. No, wait. So now we have to add the glitter. Which glitter do you want, Claire?
This.
Here, I'll pour. It says add as much glitter as desired. So it means as much as you want.
Yes. Let's put a little bit, because then we have to waste it. That should be enough. Now let me mix it so good.
Now it says add foam or beans as desired. Since my sister chose the glitter, I'm going to choose these beads.
That should be enough.
Wait.
Oh. That should be enough. That should be enough now.
Next, it says, slowly add slime activator. Contains blend solution about 1 half tablespoon at a time and mix. Squish with hands until desired constantly. If slime is too sticky, add more solution. If too hard, and warm water. So we need the activator slowly.
Now you have to mix it so it can actually be slime.
It says slow and mix.
Slime.
Squish with hands. We gotta squish it with our hands.
Good. Get it. Oh, it's too sticky. Let me put it there.
It is. It says if too sticky, add more solution.
It's too sticky. Stop it, slime, or I'm not going to play with you.
We have to add more activator because that's as it says in the instructions.
And now my hands are too sticky because I played with it. I have all sticky. If I do it, but this slime is too sticky. I never had this slime too sticky. Oh, but I forgot. Now look at this blue. Ooh. All right,
Now it seems better than before.
What was that? Hold that. Nothing.
Still a bit sticky. Maybe a little more activator.
Yeah, a little bit more. Because then it's going to be too sticky if you don't add more. The slime is stupid. That's because I make the goods. Because I copy my videos sometimes. Like when we go somewhere and I buy the slime. Oh, and by the way, these are his.
So for the first slime we used the normal glue. Now we're going to use the clear glue for my slime.
Yeah. Because you're so awesome. The boys are disgusting. That's Kira.
She's one funny girl. Now this one is easier because it just slid right out. Not like the other one. I had to push hard. So, as the baking powder, I nearly forgot about that. I think there's a little bit more. Yep. Yep, it's done. Now I'm going to need the baking powder. So you're actually going to add half a teaspoon. And it kind of looks like it's floating because it's clear blue. Now we're going to add the water again.
A bit more water.
Now mix it.
It's too sticky. That's good because I'm going to mess that fine. Oh, look at this slime. It's so sticky. It's so bad. Don't you dare do that again, slime. Talking to myself.
So I'm going to add some orange over here, the neon orange. Oh, come on. Now I need to add the glow in the dark. There it is. There it is.
it up.
Now I can add glitter of what type I want. I'm going to choose them blue.
Oh my needles. That's kawaii.
I'm going to add foam this time, not the beads. I might add some beads with the foam.
Leave some for me.
I will.
That should be enough.
I'll stop when I want.
That's enough.
Yeah, I'm going to add a little beads.
You mean sparkles?
Beads.
Sparkles.
Come on.
That's it, right. Now stay away. You poured all of them.
I mean, I don't really think you like blue ones, so does it really matter?
But it does matter because you poured all of them in.
Put it back here. Okay, now we have to mix it. So we're gonna need to add an activator now.
This is actually good slime I've ever seen. Because I love my purple slime. This is good.
It looks neat after you mix it a lot. See how thick it is now? So now we have to mix with our hands.
But now I want to play with my brother. Because this is so cool. I wish I could do this.
We're back now with our slimes. We have made 3 of them. As you can see off camera, we've made a pink one. On camera, we've made the purple one and the orange one. A thing I love to do
By the
with
way,
slime
there's a lot of them that are...
is stretch it.
What are those things?
Kind of pop it. If there's any bubbles.
Yeah, bubble By the way, need them more because these always like stick.
We added more activator until it got like this, so it's not sticky.
So it's
And
not
if you
really-
liked our slime, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace!